All right, today we're going to review a seat, and now this is not any ordinary seat. This is actually a light, LED light. It comes with its charger. It comes in a wristband, and they give you the additional tools to remove the old one and replace the new one. Now, let's open it up. And this cover came with it too. So for rain purposes, it's perfect. Now, this one's perfectly shaped. So this is a little larger, of course, and it's going to accommodate a large seat. So if you guys can see that, it looks perfect. Now, on the bottom of it, it has the LED lights in here, and there is a button here that you need to be aware right here, and the charging station also too. It's right here. Charging station here, buttons here. So you could click the button. That's a solid light. You click the button again, it's a flashing light. Click it again, it's a slower flashing light, and then it's off again. So if you guys could see, there's shocks in here in the seats. All you got to do is remove the existing one and add the new one. So we're gonna do that right now and see how well it looks. All right, let's take a look at the seat now. If you guys can see that I set it up on this bike here. Beautiful seat, very comfortable. It lifts up a little bit right here. It has an indentation. All right, that's where it meets your butt right there. So if you guys can see that, I'm gonna go around. This can show you some more of the cushion. Very nice, beautiful, detailed, very comfortable, very comfortable. And the best thing about it, I don't have to set up any other reflectors or anything like that. We can just turn it on right underneath of it. It's right somewhere around here. There we go. Flashing lights. Simple. Let's take it off for a spin.